Good morning, guys. We are currently, it is Saturday, full weekend of December, and Sebastian and I are waiting at the Swedish Embassy. They're having a huge holiday market event, which I'm really excited about. The first few people get free fika and some like Swedish pastry, which I'm excited about because I've never had that before. I've seen a lot of those kinds of coffee shops in New York, but yeah, it's like a really crowded event. We did not expect the line to be this long, and it's only 10 a.m. so it like literally just opened. But yeah, I figured I'd show you guys around because I'm excited.
Okay, I'm good. Thank you.
So we are leaving the Swedish holiday market now. Got some glögg, which is really good. It tastes like hot apple cider.
I'd start over.
Cookies with Santa. Let's go. Thank you. So now we came to the Graham rooftop and we have our mulled wine and we decorated some cookies. You can see mine. This is supposed to be a Rudolph. Didn't really turn out that well. And then we're also going to decorate some ornaments. So a bunch of fun Christmassy activities today. And I love this rooftop. It's so cute here. I've never been here during the winter time, but highly recommend. Hello everyone, happy Sunday. I forgot to vlog the rest of the day. We just had a fun game night last night with some friends. Played the game Avalon, which is a current favorite, so if you haven't checked that out, you definitely should. It's a really fun game to play with large groups of people. But now Sebastian and I are headed to an Outdoor Voices holiday party because there is free Bluestone Lane coffee and milk bar cookies, which are two things that are our favorites. So obviously going to take advantage of that. Definitely check out Outdoor Voices events in your city because they're always having like free workout classes, free local brands like the tastings and stuff. So pro tip for saving money.
Unless you have military background.
Are you gonna do more real milk?
I like their
Y'all live around here? I'm good. I'm in Baltimore, so.
That's good. So we just went to Whole Foods, got some groceries for dinner tonight, which I'll show you what we're making, and then also stuff for Christmas cookies, which I'm so excited about. We got this Bluestone Lane coffee from the Outdoor Voices holiday party. Just an Australian iced coffee with oat milk, and I thought I would hit you guys with some facts about oat milk because I know that's a huge trend right now and everyone thinks oat milk is the best thing in the world, but truth is oat milk is not that great. People think it seems to be healthy because it's not dairy, but oat milk is actually extremely high in carbs, and oats traditionally have a lot of glyphosate on them because they are sprayed with Roundup, especially if you don't get organic, which I don't think most oat milk is organic actually. I don't know about Oatly, but definitely not the kind at Trader Joe's, so you really don't want to be putting that in your body. Like, I'm out of breath. Every once in a while it's fine, but it's definitely not something that you want to be drinking every day. So I would definitely opt for a different kind of milk, whether it's milk from grass-fed cows or almond milk or hemp milk. It's not going to be as high in carbs. Like this little thing is 19 grams of carbs, which is honestly insane for a little can of iced coffee. So I just thought that was a nice fact to share with you guys. Yeah, it really is going to spike your blood sugar first thing in the morning if you drink coffee with a lot of oat milk. So yeah, go for the almond or the coconut instead, and just give oat milk to yourself as a little treat every once in a while. So I wanted to show you guys what I got at the farmer's market real quick. So I got these little baby cauliflowers. I don't know why they're so tiny, but they're really cute, and I'm going to make some mashed potatoes, well, mashed cauliflower with this tonight, which I think will be really yummy. We're doing like a barbecue night kind of. So Sebastian got some Paleo Chef peach barbecue sauce, which looks like this, and it just has tomatoes, peaches, honey, apple cider vinegar, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, avocado oil, onions, chili powder, sea salt, garlic, black pepper, cloves, paprika, and natural liquid hickory smoke. So no refined sugars, no junk added, no gluten, and this is going to go on our grass-fed beef strips. Remember, only make like half of that, right? Yeah. Or like 2/3. Yeah, doing that in the crock pot. I'm gonna do some cauliflower mash, and then we're also gonna do some collard greens. This is the current cookie situation. About to decorate these little gingerbread. Got all the ingredients. Sebastian made us some hot chocolate with a stroop waffle on top, which looks so good. I forget, where'd you see this, Sebastian?
On the package.
Oh yeah, on the package. They're from Trader Joe's, and we use Silly Cow Farm peppermint hot chocolate. So it looks super delicious. And now we're about to watch this show on Netflix. It's called Merry Happy Whatever. Highly suggest it. It's really funny. It's like kind of like a Christmas version of Friends. Check it out on Netflix. We have finished our cookie decorating. I have these cute little tins that I got at Joann's that I filled them with. So we are good with our cookie supply. And then, well, we still have one more batch to decorate, but I'm about to make some mashed cauliflower. I just boiled the cauliflower we got from the farmer's market for a long time. It's like pretty mushy, so I don't even think I need to add anything to it. I'm just going to add pepper, thyme, rosemary, and sea salt and blend it in the Vitamix, and we'll have a nice little cauli mash for dinner. So I actually just went in and added some herbs de Provence, extra virgin olive oil to the cauliflower mash, and then I'm also gonna add the spices like I just said. So a little tip about oils. This is extra virgin olive oil, which is a really good oil to use. It has a lot of healthy fats that are really good for you, but you don't want to cook this at high temperatures. So this is good for adding on things after you've already cooked them, or if you're going to cook things on really low temperature. So I'm already done cooking the cauliflower, so this is something that is good to add. Also, like adding olive oil to like soups that you've already cooked is like a super good way to add some healthy fats to your dinner. So here's the finished product. It's honestly so creamy. I'm kind of shocked. I've never gotten it this creamy before, but it's really good. I feel like the thing that makes mashed potatoes yummy is the olive oil or the butter that you add to them. So this is a really good, healthy alternative to that because it's a vegetable, not the carbo-loaded starch that a potato is, but it's really, really good. Here is the finished dinner. We got the cauliflower mash, the stir-fried grass-finished beef with peach paleo barbecue sauce and collard greens. How is it?
I'm already eating.
It looks good.